Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So this is a successor to the Mi Band 2, which was launched last year by Xiaomi, which was very popular, which in turn was the successor for the Mi Band 1, which was again very popular. So this is the Mi Band 3. We'll unbox this and take a closer look at this product in this video. So giving you an overview of the box itself. First of all, here we have a plastic beneath which we have the tracker itself, Mi branding, and on the back we have some information regarding the product. As you can see, the MRP price quoted on the box is about $21.99, but this may not be the final price. This will launch for anywhere between 2,000 and 2,200 rupees. I'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Go ahead and check it out if you're interested in buying this product. And before we proceed with the unboxing, I would like to tell you that we need the Mi Fit app to make sure that this product works well with our smartphone. So go ahead and install this app if you haven't already. So it's installing. I'll keep this phone to the side. Now let us go ahead and unbox and take a closer look. So here is a piece of tape which we need to get rid of. And here is our tracker itself in a tray. So this tray comes off, which has the tracker. We'll keep it to the side. Here we have the band itself onto which the tracker will go and fit, and then we can wear this band around our wrist. I'll keep it to the side as well. We also have a user manual, the Mi Band 3 user manual. It has all the specifications, regulatory notices, disposable guide, how to use it, how to set it up and everything. So it even has instructions on how to use this band. We'll keep it to the side as well, and let's see what else do we have. We also have the charging cable for the Mi Band 3. Let's get rid of the box and this paper, and we'll have a look at the accessories which we have in the box. So this is the Mi Band 3 itself. We'll just take it out. Let's figure it out. So this is the Mi Band 3 itself, and this is the charging cable. So if we need to charge this device, as you can see, there are two pogo pins here. We just pop in it like this, and then we can plug this into a power bank or any power source. And this is our rubber band onto which the Mi Band 3 will go and fit. So there was a big problem with the Mi Band 1 and the Mi Band 2. The problem was that there wasn't a ridge around the Mi Band, the tracker itself, because of which the tracker would often fall off. But this time around they have fixed it and it won't fall, probably. Well, let's see how it fits. It is kind of snug, so it is difficult, which is actually a good thing. So it won't fall off easily. So the tracker is now on. So yeah, this is the home screen. So the app has finally finished installing. We'll take a closer look at how it pairs and everything, but first of all, let me give you a physical overview of the device itself. So this has a 0.78 inch OLED display, which also has a single point touch system. So basically this is the point where we touch, and that's how it works. Then the overall thickness here is about 12 millimeters, which is kind of thicker than the Mi Band 2 and the Mi Band 1, but then this has much more functionality, and the way it functions is definitely better in terms of the overall screen size and everything. And this comes with Bluetooth version 4.2, and it weighs about 20 grams. I'm talking about the tracker here. With the plastic band, it definitely weighs a little more. Xiaomi claims a battery life of about 20 days. And that's about it for the hardware part. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the software part as to how well does it perform and how does the software pair and everything. So we'll open this app here. So let us sign up. Okay, this is asking to sign up. I'll sign up and I'll be right back. The setup process is now complete, and let us go ahead and add this device. So band, okay, let's turn on Bluetooth, let's give location access, and it's searching for the Mi Band 3 now. So as you can see, tap the band to pair while it's vibrating, tap the button, so we'll tap this button here, and it's paired successfully, which is what we wanted. So it will guide us through the software now. Well, that's about it, I guess. On the phone side, it will actually track us till now. So as we use the Mi Band 3, it will automatically highlight and reflect all the values on this app, which is a good thing. Well, let's take a closer look at the software on the Mi Band 3 itself. So if we lift it up, okay, yeah. So to unlock, we swipe up once. Here we see a number of steps. You can swipe across, distance, burned calories, battery percentage, and the steps. Let's swipe up again. This is heart rate. So if we hold it, it will start to measure the heart rate as it is currently measuring. As you can see, 109 beats per minute, which is quite high, don't know why. Anyways, we also have weather for today, Friday, yeah, tomorrow, Friday. So 3 days, including today, tomorrow, and the next day. We also have exercise, press and hold to start. So fasten the band. Okay, we need to fasten the band while we're exercising, and it will now track the time and the amount of calories burned, which is a good thing. We also have our BPM and whatnots. So let's go back. Yeah, we cancelled the workout now. We have notifications and more. In more, we have timer, which we can start by holding this button here. If we want to toggle our phone silent, we can find our device. Let's see. As you can see, the phone is ringing, which shows that, yeah. Anyways, we also have screen, so we can choose different layouts for the screen. This is one of them, second one, and the third one. We have 3, so let's select this one. There we go. And yeah, we were here in screen, and there's about. Let's see. That's all. And that's the Mi Band 3. I'll wear it once on my wrist and I'll show how it looks. I have pretty chunky wrists, so let's see how it fits. Well, this is how it looks on my wrist. The fit is good, and it's quite lightweight at 20 grams, so it doesn't really affect it much. Well, that would be it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. Links to all of them are in the description. And if you're interested in buying this device, the Best Buy link is in the description. Do go ahead and use that link, as it does help the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.